In celebration of National Peach Month, the Sister Circle is hosting a peach dessert challenge. But before we get into the details, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I am the leader of the Sister Circle. I also teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into the details. We were talking about peach desserts, peach cobbler, peach crisp, peach schnapps, and just all kind of peach related things, and someone said, let's host a collaboration. So that is exactly what we're doing, and we're inviting all of you to join us. So share this invitation with your family and friends and join us in showing off your favorite peach dessert. So here are the details. First of all, the video upload date is August 26th. So that gives you plenty of days to get things ready. You've got the opportunity to go out and visit your local farmer's market or the produce section at your local grocer and pick up some nice fresh peaches to make your favorite peach dessert. And what we need for you to do is show us the dessert. We would like for you to show us making the dessert, but you don't absolutely have to. The biggie is that you show us your dessert and tell us why you made it. Why is this a favorite dessert for you and your family? And then upload your video to the playlist. So the playlist will be available on my dessert video on Monday, August 26th. The video upload time is 7 a.m. Eastern. So you'll come over to my video, find the link in the video for the playlist, and upload your video to the playlist. We will also have a hashtag, Peach Dessert Challenge 2019, for your use, and hopefully your video should automatically populate to the playlist if you use the hashtag Peach Dessert Challenge 2019 in your description box. But if it doesn't, we'll have a link available that you can upload the video yourself. We would ask that you mention the Sister Circle in your video and then link the playlist as well. And if you found the dessert online, then just share with us the link where you got it. So if we want to make it, we can go there and find it as well. And if it's your own personal recipe, if you don't mind putting the recipe in your description box, we would love that too. And that's it. So as I said, the video upload date is Monday, August 26th at 7 a.m. Eastern. And all you have to do is create a peach dessert and share it with all of us. Now, a few of the sisters have already said they're going to create a peach drink because they've got something special in mind for that. So peach drinks are also an option. So me, I'm probably going to make a peach cobbler because that's one of my favorite peach desserts. So are you in? Tell me in the comment section below. Are you going to join us, the Sister Circle, in showing off your favorite peach desserts? Now, if you enjoy desserts made from fruits of the season, I've got a few videos you just might enjoy. I've got a kickin' blackberry cobbler, which I will link above and below, as well as a raspberry lemonade that is to die for. I will link that one above and below as well. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. So in the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to make a trip to the farmer's market so I can get started on my peach dessert. See you soon. Okay, so I've got about 3 pounds. That ought to be enough for a nice peach cobbler.